I can guide you through the preparation of a delicious pork tenderloin. Below, you will find a simple recipe to cook it in a traditional way with an Italian touch. First, make sure you have all the necessary ingredients. Ingredients: 1 pork tenderloin, about 400 to 500 grams, 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil, 2 cloves of garlic, salt and pepper to taste, sprigs of rosemary, 1 glass of dry white wine. Preparation: preheat the oven to 180 degrees Celsius. Season the pork tenderloin evenly on all sides with salt and pepper. In a large skillet, heat the extra virgin olive oil and add the garlic cloves and rosemary to flavor the oil. Once the garlic is golden, remove it and add the tenderloin to the skillet. Brown the tenderloin on all sides until it becomes golden and sealed. Transfer the tenderloin to a baking dish and pour the cooking juices with the aromatics from the skillet over it. Deglaze the skillet with the glass of white wine and let the liquid reduce by half over medium-low heat. Pour the reduced wine over the pork tenderloin in the baking dish. Place the baking dish in the oven and let the tenderloin cook for about 20 to 30 minutes, depending on its thickness and your preference for meat doneness. Check the internal temperature of the tenderloin with a kitchen thermometer. It should reach 63 degrees Celsius for medium doneness. Once the desired doneness is reached, remove it from the oven and let it rest covered with aluminum foil for 5 to 10 minutes before slicing. Serve the sliced pork tenderloin with its cooking juices as a sauce. Curiosity: pork tenderloin is known for being a lean and tender part of the pig. In Italian cuisine, it is often also prepared with a balsamic vinegar reduction or accompanied by a plum or fruit sauce to contrast the sweetness of the fruit with the meat. For an extra touch, you could also add some mustard or honey to the wine deglazing to create a slightly more aromatic and modern sauce.